All right, everybody. Welcome back to the Personal Digital Sovereignty Network. Today we're diving into a quiet but very important change coming to Fedora Linux 45, a brand new minimal grub package designed specifically for confidential VM, unified kernel images, and predictable TPM measurements. This isn't flashy. It's not a desktop feature, but it's one of those deep infrastructure moves that tells you exactly where Linux is heading in the decade. Fedora 45 is introducing a separate, stripped down Grub build. This isn't a full bootloader. You just get on a normal desktop install. This version is lesser focused on confidential VMs, unified kernel images, and TPM measurements. This goal is simple: reduce complexity, reduce attack, reduce surface, increase predictable, increase security. When you're not dealing with confidential computing, every single byte of that runs during the boot matters. Anything unpredictable can break the trust or break the VM ability to prove it's running what it claims it to be running. Why this matters? Let's break down into three big reasons Fedora is doing this. Confidential VMs need deterministic boot paths. Confidential VMs, whether you're talking AMD Serve or SNP, Intel TDX, or future architecture, relies on measured boot and hypervisor, and the guest OS must be able to prove this is the exact code to bootloader and nothing else. A full Grub install has tons of modules and scripts and optional logic. Great for desktop, terrible for attention. Minimal Grub packages remove the noise. UKIs bundle the kernel entered D and command line into a single signed artifact. They're becoming a standard for secure boot flows. A minimal Grub package is easier to integrate in with UKIs because fewer modules, fewer moving parts, fewer opportunities for unexpected behavior. This is exactly what confidential computing environments want. TPM measurements must be predictable. TPMs don't care about features. They care about consistency. If Grub loads different modules, depending on the environment, the TPM measures the change that breaks the attention. Fedora Minimal Grub ensures predictable measurements, stable PCR values, reliable extension across the virtual lifecycle. This is a foundational for cloud providers, enterprise virtualization, and anyone deploying secure workloads. Desktop users, you won't notice anything. Your normal Grub stays exactly the same. Server and cloud users, the big win. More predictable boot flows, better extension, and cleaner integration with UKIs. Confidential computing adapters, this is one of the strongest single yet that Fedora is positioning. itself as a first-class citizen in the confidential VM ecosystem. This move shows where Linux is headed: more measured boot, more signed artifacts, more minimal bootloaders, more confidential computing support, more cloud-native security. Fedora is often proving ground for future Red Hat Enterprise Linux features, so don't be surprised if this minimal Grub package becomes a standard component across enterprise Linux distributions in the near future. This is one of those updates that doesn't make headlines but absolutely shapes the future of secure Linux virtualization. Fedora is tightening the boot chain, reducing the complexity, and preparing for a world where confidential computing is the norm, not the exception. If you're running VMs, building cloud infrastructure, or experimenting with UKIs, this is the change worth paying attention to. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll be back with more.